Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI. This is the Osea Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum. What an amazing product. Let me show you why I like it. So, some of the things that are inside of here that I absolutely love is the hyaluronic acid, the seaweed blend, caffeine, and a bunch of things that are just great for under your eyes. The application is so nice. The metal roller is so wonderful in the morning and it's great to relax at night. I love using this product. If I'm using it consistently, I have noticed my under eyes feel better. My under eyes are always going to be dark from genetics, but when I'm using it, I can actually feel the difference from a texture perspective. It goes on kind of like a gel, dries down very quickly, so it's great under makeup and has no smell. I will also say though, you have to be careful because sometimes the roller can leak if you don't store it properly, but the product and the packaging is great. So if you have the means to splurge and you want to get yourself a nice self-care item, I highly recommend that you check this product out, and that is my point of view.